Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I am doing how I annotate my books. So yeah, everyone's annotating process are different. You can annotate according to your preference. I just wanted to show you how do I do. First, I am going to share with you the tools I used for my annotating process. First are those tabs. I use this curling tab as well as this one. Next I use those pens. Those are coloring pens. Then I use some highlighter and I use those. They won't bleed in my pages. And next some tab like them. So I annotate according to different types. There are 5 types are same for each and every book, and there are more for different genre and books. And those 5 I mostly used those 5 tab here, and this one I use for any emotional situation and for someone's feelings. Then next one, this green one, I used for anything. I mean, there is no particular type. This yellow one I use for the quote I like and I want to write in my journal. This one I used for some twist or some shocking thing, if anything shocking happen in books. And the last one is for the love confession. So those 5 are for same for every book. Apart from those, I have other different type. So there is any wedding proposal, next there is any streaming scenes, next their first kiss, then next is description. I mean, any kind of description about a character or a place, anything. Next, something funny which makes me laugh. And the last one is relatable, which anything I just relate with the character or the situation. For those type I use any of those tab, and sometimes I do use highlighter. This specially I used for the love confession, and apart from that, those pens I use for underlining. So as you can see, those are some emotional moments and I underlining it, I highlighted, and sometimes I just do like this. You can see I underline them because I like this quote. Next, you can see my red line, it's for the love confession. So yeah, that's my easiest annotating process. If you love to watch this type of bookish content, then do subscribe to my channel.